So on this 1938 DeSoto, everything works on this car. Everything from the dash lights to the cigarette lighter, everything. The only thing that does not work is the wiper blades and the rear dome light. I'm going to tackle the wiper blades today, and I know exactly what the problem is. So when I go to turn the wipers on, you twist this thing, and that's all they do. I'm going to show you where the problem is. This engine is all controlled by vacuum. There is no computer in it whatsoever. And I'm not sure if you can hear that hissing sound, but that hissing noise is a vacuum leak, and it's in the most convenient spot. I'm glad it's out here rather than being in here. This hose here is a vacuum line, and it goes all the way up inside the firewall up to the wipers. There's a vacuum leak right in here. That's a vacuum leak. If I put my finger over it, now the wipers work. If I take my finger off, it stops working. So what we're going to do for now, so that way it can pass safety, I'm going to put some tape over that, and then eventually I will tackle it after the safety. Because you need to have working wiper blades. Let's see if my repair worked on the wipers. Alright, let's take a look at this. So, turn these on. And you have working wipers. Now if you want them really fast, you just twist it all the way to the on. There you go. That's how you do it.